You paid $600 extra to watch your RGB lights work. 600, the performance gain, absolute 0 frames per second. Like you literally bought a fish tank for your computer. Evidence 1, MSI dark mirror case cost $280. Regular case $80. Same airflow, same thermals, your GPU still hits 78 degrees either way. Evidence 2, NZXT H1V2 transparent version is literally $350 versus $150 for the non-glass identical specs. $200 to see LEDs. 200. Evidence 3 gets insane. Some custom builders charging $1,200 markup for tempered glass panels when the material costs $40 wholesale. 40. People will say, oh, but aesthetic matters for your setup. Cool, it does. But admit you're buying a vanity mirror, not performance hardware. You're not a content creator, you're just pissed your parts are boring and now your case is your whole personality. That's actually unhinged. So yeah, follow on Instagram at ZapShorts so you don't miss when we post the part 2 exposing cable management RGB extensions. Would you actually do this? Yes or no in the comments.